Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about economic importance of bacteria, part 4. Today, microorganisms have gained tremendous significance in all fields. Even bacteria play a vital role in day-to-day human activities. The importance can be briefly divided into beneficial activities and harmful activities. Beneficial activities are role of bacteria in agriculture, role of bacteria in industry, role of bacteria in medicine as a biopesticides and also in sewage disposal, and harmful activities such as food poisoning, plant diseases, animal and human diseases, denitrification and war agents. Let us discuss now the beneficial activities of bacteria in agriculture. Decay and decomposition. It is caused by soil bacteria. Soil mineral elements such as hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, sulfur, and phosphorus get reduced to simple compounds such as nitrites, carbon monoxide, water, phosphates, and sulfide, which can be easily absorbed as a nutrient by plants. Soil fertility. Fertility of the soil can be enriched by soil bacteria like ammonifying bacteria, nitrifying bacteria, and nitrogen fixing bacteria. Role of bacteria in industry. Milk products. Bacterium such as Lactobacillus species and Streptococcus species are consumed in dairy industry. It sours the milk and coagulates the milk protein casein, forming curd and whey. The buttermilk, curd, lassi, cheese, butter, fermented milk have been manufacturing using bacteria. Enzyme production. The enzymes such as proteases, glucose isomerase, amylases can be manufactured by using bacteria such as Bacillus diastaticua, Bacillus subtilis. Biogas production. Methanogenic bacteria such as Methanobacterium formicicum, Methanobacterium barkeri are employed in the production of biogas from cattle dung. Biomining. The bacterium Theobacillus peroxidans is used to leach out minerals such as copper, nickel, uranium, lead, and zinc from the ores in mines. Rating. In rating process, loosening and separation of fibers from soft tissues, butyric acid bacteria are employed. Leather processing. Several bacteria are employed to remove fats and flesh from the skin in animal in leather industry. Fermentation. To get clean coffee beans and cocoa, it requires bacterial action. The bacteria digest the bitter covering of seeds and give characteristic aroma, flavor, and color to the beans. Role of bacteria in medicine. The antibiotics such as subtiline, tyrothricin, bacitracin, polymyxin B, etc. are extracted from Bacillus subtilis bacteria. The filamentous-like organism, actinomycetes, were used for extraction of powerful antibiotics like tetramycin, streptomycin, eryomycin, etc. Production of serum and vaccines for human diseases like typhoid, smallpox, cholera, scarlet fever, etc. To neutralize the bacterial poison indirectly, these bacteria are used for the production of antibiotic. Biopesticides. At present, many bacteria are used to control insect pests on crop plants. Two use of such bacteria are called biopesticides or bioinsecticides. They kill the insect pests selectively but not all. Sewage disposal. In cities and towns, for sewage disposal, several species of bacteria are used. These bacteria decomposes organic matter into simple compounds. Therefore, the solid portion of the sewage settle down easily at the bottom and disposal can be made easy. Harmful activities of the bacteria. Food poisoning. Some saprophytic bacteria like Staphylococcus clostridium cause decay of food and make it unpalatable. Many bacteria contaminates food, fruits, vegetables, meats, fish, bread, milk and decay them. Due to the activity of bacteria, a powerful toxin is produced in the food, which results in food poisoning. Plant diseases. There are more than 170 species of bacteria which cause plant diseases. Those bacteria enters into the host through stomata, hadathrodes or lenticels and cause symptoms like crown gall, wilt, blight, leaf spot, etc. on pulses, crops, cereals. Animal diseases. Many bacteria cause various diseases in animals and man, like anthrax, cholera, dysentery, influenza, pneumonia, plague, tetanus, TB, whooping cough, etc. Denitrification. A few bacteria in soil which reverse the nitrifying process so that nitrates converted into nitrites, which further converts into ammonia compounds or to free nitrogen in the air. This process is called denitrification. It is caused by Bacillus denitrificans. War agent. Some pathogenic bacteria causing dangerous diseases in human beings and used as the great war agent, they serve as a biological weapon. Abortion in animals. A few bacteria like Salmonella species which cause abortion in cattle such as horse, cow, sheep, etc. So this is all about economic importance of bacteria.